My name's Jeff. My name. You see, that was a hit reference to the the viral meme from the hit movie 21 Jump Street, where he goes, my name's Jeff. And then everyone like claps their hands and then goes, that's so true. That's so true, because his name is Jeff. You see, I actually don't know if it was from that movie. I never watched that movie. I might have just lied. Hi, I'm Kiwi. I don't know anything of, maybe I lied and it wasn't that show. I don't actually know. I don't know. I didn't come equipped to answer these questions, if I'm honest with you. Hi Brana, hi Yana, hi Loka, hi User, hi Zura, hi Ixie, hi Berry, hi Maple, hi Cloud. Why does the audio shook? What's wrong with it? Coming through the right mic, right? Wait. I'm gonna open my video. Yeah, my Nvidia says it's coming from my Yeti. My Logitech Blue Yeti. Please, Logitech, send me 5 million microphones now. I need them for reasons. can't legally disclose it. I'm under NDA. I'm under NDA, but if I don't get those freaking microphones, let's just say Mr. Beast won't be so Mr. anymore. Hey, thank you for the 23 months! Thank you for the sub! So it looks like your graphics card is overheating. My programs are running, so I think it is, yeah. I think it is overheating. See, that's my secret. Is it breaking anything? Should I turn it off? You mention me? No, do you want me to? Fuck whales. Shit flag. Should have had a lion on it. There you go. What will he be? He'll just be Beast. He'll just be Beast. Okay, there's a little lag. Yeah, I had it running before stream because I was let me show. I was testing this because I was speaking to Chappie. I was like, "Hi Queen." So you know how I was doing it before? Was that actually kind of better? And Chappie was like, "Yeah, it kind of was." But you should do it this way. And I was like, "Okay, I believe you." So I ended up changing a bunch of things around, and it doesn't actually work again because I need to refactor everything. Does the audio really sound weird? I feel like it's coming from the right source. Yeah, I think I'm being gaslit. Stop gaslighting me, please. I simply won't stand for it. Yeah, maybe your PC just sucks and you should spend £2 million. No, pounds. What they got in France? Snails. To buy a new one. Hi Freeston, hi Helen. Be alive right as I get home from being a wage slave. Was the KG good? Was it comfy? Did they let you go around in the custom cage with like the joystick? The joystick and they call it the wage mobile. You're just making a word chat. Gaslighting isn't a thing. It's not real. Wake up, sheeple. Wake up, it's not real. Don't let them trick you. No, that's not right. I swear I can hear myself. Why can I hear myself? Why can I hear myself? I'm going crazy. Why can I hear myself? I'm freaking... Why can I hear myself? I figured out why I can hear myself. No, it wasn't because I had the stream open. It's because I was monitoring my mic. I was monitoring my mic, but my OBS isn't that loud, so I only just realized. I was like, wait, I can vaguely hear what I'm saying. What the fuck? I just turned it off now. That's not right. I I forgot I had that on. I like switched everything else to the right thing, but not that. Is it a KG of golden time? Or when you have it like primary school? I remember what golden time was. I just remember vaguely they let us have it in primary school, but I don't even know what it was. Is that when you had some echo last time? Probably, but it was in my earphones, so I don't know why my mic would pick it up. I feel like that mic is too sensitive. I think I need to like add like better noise cancelling somehow, but it's really hard with that mic. Because it's not like I have that on speaker, like that's through my headset. I like if I really mistype this, it like tries to guess really bad what I was trying to type. So I just end up like looking in, it's like, yeah, did you want to input Jamboree? You know what, man? Fuck yeah. What? No, wait, we won't set the prompt handler after creating the that's not what that's not what we're gonna do. Please stop guessing. It throws me off and then I have to look back in like what was I copying? I was copying. Okay, let's copy from my freaking GitHub desktop. There we go, that's what we're doing. And then it was like that. Wenn du jetzt mir Leute es kann girls in der if yeah, do you think it's crazy because France isn't even a real country. It's like Switzerland, also a fake country, like Wales. That's another fake country. You are real and made up. You know women aren't real, right? They made that book because the women sign up to force people to go outside, but girls aren't real. I'm actually a boy. I'm actually a man. My name's Dave. My name's Dave Jones, like the pirate almost. Thank God, fighted everybody. Is golden time a Japanese thing? Isn't that golden week? I remember that vaguely. Sometimes I go to order things and they're like, we're actually doing nothing because it's golden week, so we're gonna be lazy. And I'm like, get back to fucking work. I thought the Japanese were meant to work, and I'm not seeing a lot of work go on, you know? Why? Wait, why did it? What? No. Why would you stupid copilot? What is a woman? I don't know. Nobody told me. Hi, Jux, a high school shot. Hi, Jux. Oh, this is Leo. Good. That blue is really hard to read in my chat. Or maybe I'm just blind. Hi, Rich. Avoid is a miserable pile of secrets. No, maybe it's an acronym like female on internet domain. That's what Void stands for. Female has internet. Wait, I got lost. Is sure shorthand of favorite though? Yeah, but I've decided we're making it a backronym. Like chav, like that one's got a backronym too. We're doing the same for void, I think. I'm feeling very void today. Look, I have the clip again from the medical show of the guy where he with the doctor and he's like, don't let that feminoid touch me! Void, get that feminoid out of here! It's a clip like that! Oh my god, I don't remember. Feminoid TV clip. Let me see if I can find it. Does that feminoid have to be here? I found it. Let me see if I can show it. Okay, let me mute this. Let me turn it up, please. Hey, look, is this one? I love this clip. I wish think about it.
That doesn't give you the right to shoot people except maybe yourself.
Does that feminoid have to be?
Does that feminoid have to be?
Void, tell her to get out.
Okay, you're gonna treat Miss Gray with respect?
Does that feminoid have to be? I love that clip. Big fan. Oh, look at this guy. He's like soy facing. Please stop soy facing. What show is that from? I don't know. I don't know what show it's from. I just know it's like wait, I'm checking the comments. It says Chicago Med. Yeah, it is Chicago Med. Patrick Bateman, if he were it's a great clip, right? I can't believe you guys haven't seen it. It's a great clip. I can't believe it's in like a real TV show. It's so funny. I laughed. I laughed many times. I think that works now. It told me to, Chappy, with its infinite wisdom, told me to make everything a service. But then, obviously, in its infinite uselessness, it can't do it for me. And so now I have to figure out, like, I feel like this wouldn't make sense as a service. Like, it's not running in a loop. But, like, I need to subscribe to it through the event bush. Where's my handle event? You know what? I'm gonna paste it in. I don't give a shit. Okay. I'm gonna paste it in. Where's Chaffee? What about my moderation handler? This is my old min. Doesn't it learn terrifying? I know. No, it doesn't. No, it doesn't. It's not in soul. It doesn't have a soul. It doesn't want anything. It wants to make me not have to think about Python. That's actually what I want, and therefore that's what it wants. Simple as, really. Yeah, because it's been telling me. It told me when I was like, shit, I need to do this to subscribe him. I feel like subscribing in the event was as a service. I feel like it's weird. Like it decouples things a little, cause that's what I asked. I was like, this shit is coupled so much. Like these feminoids, like, they are coupling so much right now. I was like, please fix that. What the fuck do I do? This language is dog shit and I don't know how to do anything. And it said, I think you should do that. But it doesn't feel, it feels wrong. It feels really weird. It feels like it's doing too much. Yeah, the feminoids, they're coupling in front of us, bros. This real true cells. Nobody knows the plight of a true cell should, like myself. Boy, these. My costume is not your costume. Oh my god, so true. The misogyny is the powerhouse of the true cell. Now it's become like commonplace. Now everyone knows what incels.org is. Incels.org? No, incels.me. I'm mixing up site names. I feel like it's now cringe to LARP it. It was actually based in cool to LARP it before, and now it's like too many people are LARPing it. Too many people are LARPing. It's not my niche reference anymore, and I don't like it. I don't like it. I feel like they're stealing my top LARPs from me. Yeah, it's got mainstream Rosa Verity. Incel.org sounds like a made-up website that a normal friend would use to his social one. No, I was mixing up incels.me with what looks like so. Yeah. Bro, why don't you go to incels.com? It wouldn't be .org. It would be .com, right? It would be .com. Would you guys let me tell you to make an account at incel.com? You see, Valve remade Pokemon at the inventory, released it yesterday. What's why the fuck is my alarm going off? What is Pokemon? Should I know what that is? Question mark? Because I don't. Am I meant to know that? Oh, I forgot to put in the init. Init. Oh, thank you. That makes things easier. But I don't want to do that. I wanted to do it here. I wonder if it's better to pass it as main. I'm not sure. Wait, Game of You Strikes again? Okay, fine. I'll open Steam. Steam store. I don't care about Slay the Spire 2. Poker Night at the Inventory. Oh, it has the heavy from Team Fortress 2nd, and and the other ones. Yeah, I never heard of this game before. But I also only played Team Fortress 2 once, and I was like, this shit sucks. I'm going back to Gary's Mine. Yeah, not a fake game. I don't even know how to play poker. I don't know, how do you play I always forget how you play poker. I feel like I look it up and I'm like, that's so easy, and then I like immediately forget it again. Need to change that code. Just regular poker, but with funny characters that you recognize, similar to Mahjong Soul. Yeah, but the appeal of Mahjong Soul is that they're cute. I've never looked at what Heavy and the Spy one and said that's cute. So it's kind of thinks about it. Kind of cringe. Mom. I don't know if I would need this. I put it in to replicate my last one to have some consistency, but I feel like it's not needed. I don't think I'll do anything further with that. This spy is cute right now. No, you can't control me. Hi, Dandas, hi, Rain. Oh, is he French? Cringe. Putting a moderator. Cringe. I need it, okay? I must moderate. Who if I don't moderate, who am I? What it does is sanitizes out bad words so vtuber doesn't start calling people bad words again. Live on Twitch.tv. Yeah, it sanitizes out any extremist viewpoints, you know? Simple as. Get a word list on text for like blacklisted words. I do. That's what this uses. It's right there. We're gonna make a fake gamer. Did the fake gamer go by the Menherico Balacho game now that's released too? No, I feel like I'm not buying any new games until I finish what I've been playing. I feel like it's a bad idea. I need to finish things first. Desktop make cinema roll, so you're never playing a game again. Maybe. Desktop me. Wait, desktop me. Why is it £12? Don't they know we're in a regressing economy? Why is he £12? And it's only limited time. You can only buy it until March 2027. I'm a consumer. I love consuming. I love to consume. You feel sleeping for to delete that went on. Thank you. I don't do that. Hi personally, hi Wiggly, hi Bonanever, hi Juxu. Yeah, so you voted on YouTube, you aced a row, you fell asleep and it was 8 hours of silence and I laughed so hard. Yeah, I pulled out the microphone in my sleep, it got like wrapped around my neck. Oopsie is lost. I think that's all fine. And then I'll just do the same as before. I should just copy it from me. Copy. Import. I hate how it doesn't import the whole thingy because I run it from source. And then add service. There we go. Hi, Doomsday. I got I felt scared. No story. Sorry, I mean I roll over in my sleep. I didn't even look at it again, so I know the fire alarm and everything's still in it, but I was like, I've been too busy. Well, that's also think that's how that works. What, the moderation handler? You're moderating or something else? Hi, Paul. Your name changed. Hello, thank you for the 2 months. Well, 8 months actually. 8 months. Quite a hey, how many chat gives me different numbers? Thank you for the sub. It's going. It doesn't run right now, but I don't expect it to. It's going. I'm changing things around because I decided it was better. Increase the good light. You're like a gag boss. A gag boss with his goons, with his minions. Motivation handler, what they call managers now? Potentially. You know, I never rest, but I would say so, yeah. I feel like it's weird having separate services for all of this, but I can't think of a better way of doing it. Yeah, it was this. I thought I handled Duke. Did you lobotomize Cupid? No, I mean, she's not as good as she was because I've been rewriting the whole program, but I've been rewriting it to be like a lot better, so so it's fine. You wanna watch the Mint Blue Archive co-op livestream? Oh yeah, I saw that when I opened up my game. When is that? Is it on the weekend? I hope it's on the weekend. I hope it's not today. I'm praying it's not today. Okay, so I think I need to make listens for services. I feel like it shouldn't be a service, but I feel like it's the cleanest way to. It feels wrong, but it's the cleanest way to do it, I guess. Copy that from that, and then it means everything goes short, clean, or separate like this. Where'd my thing go? Oh, here it is. Ah! And then whatever. Copy that over. Oh, it's the same thing twice. Whoopsies. Sure. Sure, whatever, let's do this. I feel like that way, what was this one? I was like, why are we? It was this. It was the only way I subscribed. App. .eventbuzz.subscribe. Yeah, that's so good. That should work now. Hi, Fluffy. I'm working on my Neurosama clone. It doesn't work right now. I'm working on getting that to work. Basically. Do you think it's gonna be better in how it handles processing messages and stuff, or like not saying slow, something went wrong, repetition? like, basically how the pipeline works. It was really messy, and so when I was trying to add new things, I was running into the problem of I don't remember where I've done things, so I was duplicating like logic everywhere. It doesn't make that much of a difference in how it works, except I took out its memory system for now. But it should mean it's easier to get it to stop, repeating things, maybe? They're not saying slurs, I already filtered out though. I didn't change that. A lot of these I just slotted in. And I just changed like how the core of it works. But I had to redo everything pretty much outside of that. It's not that smart. But I thought you were joking about having one that swears too much. No, I'm for real. I'm for real. She my training data causes it. Yeah, she's a real gamer, I guess. Like more than like doing it, I don't say what she says. I wanna make one that plays Minecraft with me. There's I think a public one that has playing Minecraft built in. I sure a bit about it. I didn't look too much into it because I was like I don't need it, but I think that's the one people are talking about. You can like play Minecraft and stuff. Mine can't play Minecraft. She can only talk. But I committed too much to building her that I refuse to stop now. Okay, that's the radiation handler, and then I need to make this a service as well. Oh, did I didn't make this a service. Need to make that a service and then import that and then do. Can you do it for me? It's not gonna do it for me, please. That makes more sense actually. Now does that. Succeeded, thank you for the song. How did she learn that words? What is said it in front of her? Because of the models I used before. I trained continuously on them. So somewhere down the line, she learned it, okay? Typically it just means that more good codes in the system, which means it's like good plus. I never thought about it like this before, but you know what? You know, I think you're right. Makes sense to me, really. Okay, import that. Gonna miss Alpha Cupid. I don't think she's that different. I switched models to a lighter one to see if I could run it with VTuber Studio, but I feel like it still makes the model lag. So I'm not too sure what to do about that, because I was like hoping it wouldn't. But I think I already optimized it with model. I don't feel like I could optimize it anymore unless I like somehow made the model I'm using smaller. But it's already... Ah. Yeah, maybe I could. I didn't know of this one actually. So I think if I load it in with bits and bytes, I could get it to move a model. But it makes it stupider. But I don't have the processing power otherwise, really. I think I need to retrain it because I had this, but I feel like it doesn't make sense. I feel like I trained it wrong. Yeah, that's the trade-off. To get it to use less power, I gotta turn on quantization for it, but it will get stupider. It probably, I didn't really notice it make a massive difference, but yeah. It's a lot of services running at once, basically. Hi, Samu. The amount of unsaved tabs is psychotic. You don't like it? You're not a fan? It's like... I always forget to save my tabs because, like, you see, I'm just a great thinker. How would I even remember? Just too difficult. Wangplay? Use Gentoo? Not streaming of it's actually gonna slash what you're referring to as Linux, it's actually GNU slash I'm not using OBS on Linux, it's such a pain in the ass. Yeah. I agree to sync about time. OBS is super easy on Linux. OBS itself, yeah. VTuber Studio and stuff is not. Basically. From the people I know who stream on Linux with it, everything just breaks all the time. And I'm kind of too lazy to fix that every time I stream, so I'd actually just delete my accounts, I think. I just leverage Proton. I don't have good experiences with Proton not crashing on me, so... But then again, I'm not using it, I only use it on my laptop. Because I only use this PC for streaming. 1 minute you're telling him an Nvidia card, you wish why would I get an AMD card? I mean, AMD for anything AI, surely no one would suggest that, right? What are you coding? Chatbot. My Neurosama chatbot. Okay, what was I doing? I was doing monologue scheduler. Remove this because it's going to server system, and let's just start. I didn't tell you to fucking do that, did I? Whatever. Piss off. Event bus equals app dot event bus. AMD has more VRAMs at the same price? Yeah, but AMD is worse for running models. Basically, when I did this in my main, did I do anything with builders, or is I just... Okay, it was... Yeah. I'll need to pass that in this time. I thought it was in here, and then I was like, wait, no, it's not. It's not in here. Hi, Bob Demo. Choosing shoes for Parallax and LTX, it shouldn't be much different. I mean, with CUDA. With, CUDA, as in, because I'm running my LLMs. It's like rock or something, right? For AMD, and it runs worse. Kibi, what are you coding? My chatbot. I feel like I should put a pinned message. Yeah, that's what I mean. Obviously, for streaming, like VTubing models, yeah, no difference. But I went with the video because I had a feeling I was gonna start working on AI, and then I did, so I was right. Like AI, yeah. Hi, this dude. In the immortal words of King Terry, did he say that? What? I mean, yeah, Microsoft isn't good, but I'm also very lazy. And I put too much effort. It took too fucking long to set everything up on Windows. That I don't have it in me to move it over. I use hacking Chungus Mint for everything else, so it's fine outside of streaming. My hacking Chungus Mint distro. What kind of mint? Green, I reckon. Just get a H100. Putting your X word upload to a different. Versus just get it. Just buy it. Just purchase it. Reckon they're selling that on eBay. Ooh, $23,000. Yeah, that's nothing. See, I can see. I'm absolutely minted, so I can afford that. Can you PayPal me 30k? No, sorry. Can I have a fiver? I need to buy the I need to buy it. A H100, please. Go, that should do that. Hi, Harlow. Yeah, it's a really cheap GPU, you know. Everything's so cheap. Okay, that's done, and that should be done, and then it's actually saved because I've got too many tabs open. Colors all over and bootstrapped. Here. Oi! Dickhead. Yeah, let's do... Where is... Not typing that all out when it's in my Git history. Monologue. Scheduler, and then... Builders would be... Yeah, there we go. Oh yeah. Don't need that there anymore. I need to change that. What do you use for AI code completion? I don't have I think this is the built-in VS Code Microsoft GitHub Copilot, because I didn't turn it on. I didn't turn it on, so I'm thinking it's gotta be Copilot. Yeah, geometry. I think it's cause yeah, I think it's a free trial because I'm logged in with my GitHub. So I get so many autocompletes a day. And I don't care enough because I don't need autocomplete, so I don't even notice when it's gone. It never gets it right. Okay, I need to open up this again because this I need to... How did I do it again here? It was like this. Here we go. Monologue enabled. I feel like now I put this in, it would make more sense to just... God, why the hell is I doing this? Oh, it would have been with a task. Did I delete it? Yep, I deleted it. Okay. I feel like I can just put that in start, but also I can't be bothered, so... I feel like I can just... do that, and it's fine. If it's not, I'm gonna throw a fit, I think. Oh, and change it to be... Can never remember how that goes. Monologue. Monologue enabled. And then remove that. And remove that. There we go. You're a programmer by trade, or is it a hobby? It's just a hobby. I think that's done? Oh wait, crap, did I put that in the bootstrap? Can I pull myself up by my bootstraps, please? I didn't. App.add service. Monologue scheduler. Yeah, I'll throw a negative shit. Please pull yourself up from... Oh, so... Can't even pull my bootstraps up anymore. Sick world we live in, man. Thoughts on Shibuya Kaho giving Dan Clancy a priority to get an ambassador position? Is that the Jav star that apparently everyone knows about but me? I saw this and everyone was like, huh, what do you mean you don't know Shibuya Kaho? Everyone knows Shibuya Kaho, you're totally lying about not going, huh? And I was like, but I don't know who Shibuya Kaho. I know what Shibuya is. I know Shibuya 109. It has lots of closing, but I don't know Shibuya Kaho. She should have been like trash taste or some shit like that. Oh. How do you guys do this? I just thought she just stopped doing porn and then she was on Twitch for some reason. Bootstrap called it run? It's called Bootstrap because I asked ChatGPT to refactor my main. And so I follow the naming paradigm I'm given. Yeah, ChatGPT, what were they? I don't think it could. I don't think it's good enough to buy code. I just asked it if I should use services, and it said split it up like this, and I said yes, sir. He put that. Let's handle that. Let's handle that. Is it for building out frameworks and then fill it in like coloring the lines? It works well that way. Yeah, I really much just ask it to back me up. I go like, this doesn't seem right. Give me architecture ideas. And then if it's wrong, I tell it to die. But if it's right, I'm like, thank you, you know? Just the way it should be treated. Okay, let me check. Was I subscribed to anything else in main? It was input handler. Motivation handler, my monolith scheduler, my Twitch. I feel like that's everything translated into a service. But I really don't like this. Surely there's a better way than subscribing. Yeah. Someone's gonna give me an answer. Yo, we game Devin? No. No. Put in a chat bot. It's a lot of calls. Yeah, so yeah, I'll chat bot, please tell me what to do. It says... What? Really? It says do this, but what this... I feel like... Is it not a bit redundant to do this on the base class? Feels really redundant. But I don't know enough about Python to say. Using Kimmy for open code recently shit is tops. Ah, I've not tried any of the good new models because I feel like I don't use it enough to pay. But I like see people tweet about it. I've seen people tweet about it and it seems decent. Soon Kibi will ask ChatGPT to make you a new model. I can vibe code so I can stop drawing. Wait, that's a great message. I should pin that. Hang on. I should there we go. Problem solved. Oh, it's 100% free? Oh, is Kimmy? I thought that was one of the paid ones. Can you really tell I've not been keeping up? Oh, it's Moonshot. Okay. Okay. I believe Kimmy will pin me down like this, like the Cabinet. Pay for ChatGPT to tell him to die, but I do that for free. I do that for free. Kimmy's too YouTuber for a 4090, so I run it from a cloud. I think the majority of new models are like that now. I feel like it's like impossible to run anything like new locally. Pretty much it feels like. It says oh, okay, so it's not redundant, but it's weird. Just find that as empty. And then in here, instead of doing this here. I mean, I still don't like it, really. But it's better than this. And do that for like every single one. Neater than foreign get all install, I guess. But it's kind of disgusting also. It's really disgusting. I think Copile's gonna figure out what I meant and let me just tab it. Oh, thank you. There we go. That makes things easier. For Kimmy, it's have an NVIDIA Dev API that lets me run it. Minimax is for a longer run. I see. Okay, makes sense. Hi, MP. Wait, Jason doesn't... You... Why would you program a game in Jason question mark? I mean, I guess you can. But it's like when you see those people make real things in SQL, and it's like, I guess you can do that. I guess. Yeah. Like when you go on LeetCode sites and you see some weirdo who's done it in SQL for some reason, and he's like freaking joining just everything ever, and it's yeah, I would also say it's cock and bull torture. I think if I had a penis, they would be torturing it right now. It's just not right. JSON like the data formatting things, yeah, like a JSON file. So what did you just say that killed me? I feel like I was relatively clear that if I had a penis, they'd be torturing it. It was very clear. Quick direct clipper just said, "This feature man said, what? No, he'll pause. Skull emoji, skull emoji, skull emoji." This should all work in me now, I think. I think so, but also if I run it, I feel like it's gonna make my stream lag. So it's like I can't check. After I streamed it last time, I ran it and I was like, oh, okay, it doesn't work, awesome. And I had to fix things because it was like, it wasn't anything big, but I went, whoopsies, okay, it doesn't actually work. It was close enough that I could fix it quickly. It's a little bit cringe. Okay, we can handle, oh. For that out. Oh, oops. For that out. Did I do this anywhere else? Doesn't look like it. So this is a short video. It was actually alive while we... I do both. Not 2020 no more? You can't skull emoji anymore? Is it banned? I'm never unclear, but I wish you were for that statement. Thank you. That's so kind and nice and lovely of you, actually. This should be in start, but like I kind of can't be bothered to like move it back in, but like it should absolutely be in start. Like there's no reason for it to be separate. There we go. That was really difficult. Actually, that was really hard for me to do. Well done, QV. I'm so proud of you. That was a really difficult task. Thank you. I know it was really hard. This should also be like that. Wake up early and drive for 2 hours tomorrow. Preview me like Ryan Gosling. Like Ryan Gosling when he says, "I'm Ryan and I drive." It's like that, innit? I'm Ryan and I drive. I can't believe he says that, you know, that's crazy. I think I forgot to delete this one. Trying to figure out why would it be this. Also I should absolutely just throw into start instead. It's one of those things I'm like, is it better practice to leave it separate? It's kind of ugly and long right now anyway. Whatever, it works the same. But I did want to, sponge generated. Wanted to move that out of start. Oh. Got my hacking call marks. You're right, I'm not upset anymore. She's so good. Yeah, she gotta be a good therapist. I don't think I'd be very good at it. It's like, yeah, I would get distracted. Like, I would get bored. I feel like, yeah, I'm sorry that happened to you or whatever, I guess. I think I would get bored. I think I should move this one out. I had it in, where did it go? This one? Yes. And I left it there because it's a service. But I feel like it would be better. Moving in, I just don't know the best way of doing that because there's no point making this a service. Where is that? I feel like... It's not, because I'm only using this to have like one file where I'm Why was I doing that before? Was in import handler. In import handler. Did I break something when I moved it out? Yeah, prompt handler. Dispatcher.enqueue. It puts it in the queue, and then did I accidentally remove all references to that and not realize? It's more likely than you think. Model Jen. I don't know. Yeah, because I think I made it and then I don't even remember if I wanted to use it anymore. I'm sure I do because when I take this through, it's this is so confusing. Guys, look here, do you think, hello? Hello? I only ever had, like, I don't even remember, I think I had, like, therapy, like, once, or twice, because I was forced to, but I think it was, like, I just kind of got annoyed. I couldn't bring myself to respect my therapist, so I don't know if that was a me problem or not. The two therapists, the first one never talked it over during sessions, the second one kept making me do personality tests based on Chinese mysticism. That one sounds based as fuck though. That one sounds awesome. I wish I got asked to do like Chinese mysticism personality tests. I want to be asked if I'm the weak mouse or the powerful dragon, I think. What is this fake ass voice? It's real, sorry. I can fake it to be lower if it makes you more comfortable though. The highest is the test without testing. So true. If I got asked to pick, I'd pick the dragon every time because I think it's the coolest one. Maybe, is there a lion? I feel like the lion. But like, the reasoning is only because it's cool. That's it. I don't know what else you'd pick in this. Okay, yeah, so from here, it's just that after moderated, which I think is from the event. It does need to go through the prompt builder still. Why did I remove it, and where would be best to put it back? Yeah, Dragon Trader is so much fucking cooler than Dragon Year. So freaking cool. So we do it here in from builder. Come here. We on I'll go into handle event. And then I just alter how handle event works, maybe. Just do that, and then what? Sure. That's not what I wanted to do, but like... I'm surprised why my therapist has really been ineffective on me specifically, rather than just ineffective on everyone. One of my exes I'm on good terms with has been for about 7 incompetent therapists. I just feel like a lot of them aren't very good. Every time I ever went to therapy, I was like, I really don't understand what I was meant to get from this. Hi, Dada. You still friends with Nan and you? I need a job in tech. Yeah, I've got him on dial-up, you know? You know? Nan and Yahoo, can you hear me? Let's see, maybe it makes more sense to... This should just do it. Yeah, this should just be it. That should be all I need. And that'll get used now. Hi, Fiend Foxy. I think that's basically cool and good. I asked Shafi how to remove this bullshit. I got mad. Shafi would never fail me. Can't believe this bullshit works, man. So messed up. It absolutely shouldn't. It's so messed up. I don't like it. Never think of doing this because it's so weird. Do we not have oopsies? There we go. Input logo. And then should just be able to remove that, but I need to update it in monologue generation. Oh, and then it says, oh, actually, this pattern works really well in Python, and I didn't know. But, like, I already did it the first way, and now I can't be bothered to change it, so... I don't think I will, thank you. Gee, will this even work with... refactor in Ruby? I'll have to get back to you on that one. baby dispatcher? I feel like it would be we need to pass in no, it comes from where is it? 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 Here it is. Freaking full screened it by accident. Doesn't feel nice, but I think that's the best way of doing it right now. Like that. Oh, thanks. Makes things easier. That's not right, no. Oh, cool. Thank you. There we go. No name risk, not gonna make it. I'll switch next time. I'll be making it in punch cards actually. Come back for that. I'm going all the way back to punch card. I think it's the perfect method actually. Refactor and Jason sounds like a headache and a half. Go, that's in there. That's him. Put your cards away, I'm gonna punch you right away. What? Question mark? Question mark? I'm spamming question marks actually inside my head right now. I just want you to like sense them, please. Like sense the question marks. I'm sending them in your general direction. Stop it! Don't drop hit me. I want to run it. I feel like it's gonna break my stream. But like before I do anything else, I kind of need to check if it works. It's fine because I didn't double check all my imports anyway. And now every time I run it, I get the fun experience of it telling me I'm running it from the wrong part because I'm running it from the file base. It's loading my model, which is gonna break my stream now probably. Which is fine because I said short stream anyway, so if it breaks, you'll... Strategize the info crew. We just let it pause. True. I'm sure it'll be fine. I mean, it broke before, but I was running a lot. I only ran it once. The lag shouldn't be that bad if it does make me lag. Everything It gets chats now, but I don't think they're being received by the dispatcher. Publishing chat message to that's here. So it like it thinks it's funny to not pick it back up. This sends it through as, here we go, Twitch chat event. Should let's do some fun. Actually, I probably should log it in my file for making it easier to search. And that sanitizes that out as Twitch chat event as well. And then that goes through to here and saying it should get through the subscription if that refactor worked. I keep doing print by accident. There we go. Let's try that. Hey, Joseph, hang on. Can we code wire design? I actually want to be the ideas guy. Can I be the ideas guy instead? Can I be the guy who goes like, I have $1 million idea and you just need to do everything else? Me, I'm the ideas guy. How goes the thing? I mean, it's not working, but it's fine. Something's wrong with how I refactored it. You live and you don't learn. I'm just gonna put logs in until I figure out where I forgot to do something. Should it be Steve Jobs? Yeah, I wanna be Steve Jobs. I wanna be Steve. The guy with all the jobs, you know? I think I could do that. I think I'd be well good at that, you know? Okay, and we take this my job? Well, not anymore, pal. That break when I accidentally full screen my thing, probably. Oh, it doesn't really show anything anyway. I just don't want it to show it when I accidentally forget I'm streaming when I do code commands again. Because it saved me from leaking my API keys before and I forgot. It's not to be a major asshole to everyone. Oh, I can do that. I can do that. I'm pretty confident I can do that. Okay, it's literally not logging I lost my old one. I was like, why are there so many comments? I didn't run this thing through my beautiful XML generator. Okay, so it's publishing events, but it's not even like I don't know. The fix is really easy, I'm sure. But I'm not sure what to update right now. Cause that's like fine, so realistically it should be picked up by because it worked fine before I made it into service, so realistically I don't know what's causing it and I'm gonna go insane. I think so. I think my next plan is to just go crazy. I think I've decided. New redeems for vertical? Can you even do redeems on YouTube? You can have command ask AI what's wrong with your code. I'm doing it right now. I'm doing it right now. I'm making it tell me. I think it's not working with this being in service of high. I don't know, because it's fine up to the point where it's registering anything being listened to. So I'm just going to go ask. I don't know why. I'm the stupidest person alive. I knew it was gonna be something really simple. I knew it. I knew it was gonna be like the simplest thing on earth. I'd obviously just forgotten to do. I forgot I have to run this in the base class if I'm not calling it anywhere else. And I completely forgot because I just had this as a base thing I was overriding to have like some sense of boilerplate. Oopsies. Survivors. We should call a group of 8 hobbits. Hobbit. Whoa. Wowza. Program aborting due to Control C event. Yeah, watch me do it again. You can have integrations with YouTube chatbots to do exclamation mark commands when they're redeemed by the itself. Yeah, that's what I thought. I was like, I never see anything. I was like, if there was a way, I was like, surely YouTube would tell me when I got partner, but then they didn't. So I was like, yeah, I guess it's just not a thing at all, which is a little bit cringe. But yeah, I don't know what chatbots he using YouTube for still. Cause I'll never pay attention to chat to see. But I don't know what people normally use. I feel like YouTube took a while to even have gifted. Yeah, it took them ages for them to have raids and stuff, right? So I feel like anything like that would take forever. Even kind of engaging stream instead of silly buttons. No thank you. I'm actually thinking about adding TTS now, and I'm gonna be like those streamers who walk around IRL and they just have like the blaring TTS and sound effects. Yeah, I'm thinking I'm gonna do that now actually. This still isn't working. I think it's over for me. Why is it still not working? Isn't the code not compiling because of a missing semicolon or commenting out the wrong thing? I mean, that's easier to find because then it just says problem here. This is annoying me. Yeah, do the TTS sleep shit. God, those things are so weird. You know, my last first stream was really messy, but like, I'm thinking at least it worked. So there's a real problem here, called it doesn't work. I'm going to guilt chip ChatGPT. ChatGPT and just not write the whole thing? No, it's too stupid. It gets half the things wrong. So you have to really hold its hand. It's too stupid. But it's good when I can't be bothered to debug. I'm a moron. That's awesome! I love that! I'm a moron and I should never write anything ever again because I'm the stupidest person alive! Oh, that's so nice. Thank you for telling me! I did this in my last version and I forgot this all the time in my last version too because I'm actually mentally deficient and I've never known how to do anything my entire life. And you know what? I shouldn't be programming, but I'm nothing. I'm nothing. I think that's everything awaited. told that you're super duper cute? No. Never says that to me, actually. I'm such a stupid shit. Hopefully it works this time. Oh! Oh! Yeah, it works because obviously I've left builders in somewhere and forgot about it, and now I have to go find it because I have an error. Where did I put that? Should be something like close others and then from builder. Then gee, what's the best way of doing this? I feel like this is not the best way. Many is saying I can just do that because I changed my event handler. Many people are saying this actually. You can just throw an event like if it doesn't work, it doesn't work and I find another way. YOLO. And then this one. Self-door prompt handler. Just do this. Think. I copied this one over exactly. I'm not sure why I left all that shit back here. I think I just copied it over from the other version. It sort of says it one day. Me too, sigh. Give a sleep stream with the audio clip of the Spanish guy laughing. I remember that one because I tab out whenever I click into TTS streams. I simply tab all the way back out. I cannot do it. I can't hack it. I can't handle it at all. They're like almost funny sometimes. Yeah, I laugh every time. I'm like, oh, when they do the TTS and it's like, I'm like, that's so funny. I laughed. Okay, method name. Why the fuck did ChatGPT even give me that looking back? That doesn't even make any sense. Hello Dungeon, were we coding? A chatbot. You working on your daughter? Yeah, I am. I broke everything trying to optimize it. Kind of forgot to use my brain. Oopsies. Yeah, basically he's told me, just undo everything. We go back. And that should work again. I'm gonna leave that in for now. It was like, oh, you can fix it by going back to your old version of the exact same thing. Like, okay. I can fix it by doing the thing I said. I was like, I wonder if there's a way to fix it. The answer is no. I think that's everything solved. It was only from... Did I really... Like an Asian pet? Is that so? Yeah, I don't think it's making it better if I break it, but I think it's close enough. I think it's... I know exactly what I broke, so it's fine. I'm just gonna see if it runs without an error now. Please, so nicely. It's like I still haven't done the front end for this. I set up the server to have a front end to control it, and I've not done it because I decided I was going to rewrite everything else instead again. So now I feel like I don't have any control over anything. But I looked at it and I was like, I feel like this isn't good for linking to things, and I was right. It's gonna be so much cleaner than my old version, at least. I need test. You're encoding? No, I'm just making something. Oh my god. I forgot to put that back in. I was like, whoa, why am I having the error from my old version? Maybe I just forget everything ever. Oh, I freaking hate indents. It's gonna be this one that's wrong, right? Okay, there we go. There we go, there we go. So freaking annoying. Yes, there it is. Finally found it. I have a feeling it's not gonna pick up to output again with the way I've done it, but we're getting there. Close. Need to kill this again. See, I'm running it now and I'm like very conscious it's gonna break everything, but whatever. I physically can't now without running again and again. But I did put on quantization, so I think the model's a lot lighter, so it's not breaking things that much outside of when I run it. It's a lot faster because I enabled my bits and bytes setup. Wait, where is this coming from? It sends out a response prompt event, which oh, that's not being used there anymore. Which is it's not being used there anymore either. No there. For some reason it's going through this twice and then I get an error saying no builder found for prompt. But it shouldn't be going through that twice in the first place. Which is strange. Nothing would send it back through. I don't get it. Let me see, puzzle event and then find a reference. Piss off. Fucking never works. Final implementation. Yeah. Whatever, let's just search it. No, it actually makes no sense why it's going back twice. I feel like crazy. I'm crazy, there's actually nothing going back in. Oh! Because I'm building it twice. Whoops. Because when I Control Z, I wasn't paying attention to what I was actually putting back in. Whoopsies. And then this calls NQ. It says this is getting prompt, and then it puts it in the queue. Logger.info. That'll tell me if it's Reno. Not sure. Because this looks like it should be working, like it's starting super correctly. Code these nush. I don't think that's very appropriate. I don't think so at all. It takes so long to load in tasks, God. If only I wrote real tasks. Lol. But I won't be. I won't be doing that. Is it him? Past. He says Q code. But not that, yeah, the Q is not being eaten. So it's going through fine, but I'm not eating. I'm not seeing that. Okay, it says, I completely misunderstood how to do this apparently. And I should keep these back in. Whoopsies. But I'll need to change that for everything where I'm awaiting. And it'll be... I forgot to return that when I changed it anyway. Oh. Please just work. Please, I can't be bothered to change it all right now. Please, ask so nicely. I need to do this like... Yeah. This needs. I need to move this out. As well, then I think. And just do like self out like that. And then take stop as well, because I need to actually really stop that one. I don't need that though. And that should fix that. And then I want it all at the bottom for consistency. Okay, save that. Nice short stream. It will be short. I'm ending soon. I'm just getting this working. Then I have stuff I need to do. Look at me, my sleepy. You know how this ends? It's actually fine because I'm not doing anything that complex. It's a shut up. A lot of my stuff was already written. I'm just trying to get it to eat the cube, but it's still not doing it. Okay, it generated the prompt now. Which means yeah, it says it's actually generating a prompt, so I fixed that by moving it into a worker. But I don't think it says response generated. So is it stuck here? Sure, it's stuck. Because we're going into here and then we go into generate response. And then I get that log. And then we get build, and we go into here because it says attempt 1. Um. So I think it's breaking on here. Surely I wouldn't need to run that as a service though as well, right? That doesn't really make sense. I don't know. Does she right? Yeah. Oh, hi Sophie. Red pop and say hi. Oh. Let me check where I ran this. I ran this as service and like the only thing I did was that, which is like literally right there. So what the hell is the issue? Let's see what complex looks like. More difficult than this. This isn't particularly difficult, it's just long. It's breaking here and I don't know why. It's like cause I'm running it in this. Hi Space, have you tried asking it nicely not to break? Yeah, but it doesn't seem to want to listen. I don't really know what I did wrong. Like... I copy this in and it's the same thing. I don't know, it's saying try that. And... Double check from Plimth, it says. Fucking bullshit, I'm not even passing that through. Let's just try that. Told you so. Look, I just want it to work and it doesn't want to work. But I managed to get most of it working with the setup. It's just... It's breaking when it calls the model now. And I don't know why. Why does it want to break when I call the model? Does it hate me? Did I do something to it personally? I don't know, I just wanted to get Qubit running because... she won't. Test. Where's she running to? Who knows? It's definitely breaking here. I'm like 100% it's breaking here. You need scope reaction? Hi DJ. Okay, it says I gave up and just said please generate it. I feel like this is just doing like what I was already doing anyway, but hi Aaron Supremacy. But I'm just gonna see if these looks fix it. Because I don't understand why changing that would break this, because this doesn't need to run in a loop, you know? I don't get it. The voice change is crazy. Yeah, I think I'm a 40-year-old man. I'd be a fit one if I was. Oh. Please just show me the looks. Please, 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 please. Stop silently breaking a model core. You never did this before. You are 40 though? Yeah, 40 years young. That's generous. I wonder if it's breaking because I quantized it. can't handle it now. I don't know. I feel like it needs actual checks. I have to change it to this. Can you stream 60 hours? No, sorry. I actually need to go. I have things I have to do. I wanted to get that working first, but I gave up. It's actually not gonna work. I actually have to go off stream because it's model code. It's easier if I do it offline anyway, because it's really heavy to like rerun my program 50 million times. I think I need to like change it around. It's okay, sorry for not having infinite free time. I'll do better next time. I'll be better. I'll be a better person. Try my hardest. Down? Why? I won't try my hardest. Actually, I do, but maybe my hardest isn't good enough. Oh. It's so overwhelming. Anyway, I actually do have to go. I shouldn't stay any longer. I have to go freaking do things. Like right now. Thank you guys for coming.